Hello everyone, today we will learn how to import demo content of Autparts WooCommerce WordPress theme. Firstly, for this, go to the Appearance, then Theme. To add new theme, click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, find the exact zip file of it. Now click on Install Now. After finishing installing, click on Activate. Instantly, you will get several required plugins for begin installing plugins. Select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugin Installer and again select all of them to activate. Then click on Apply Now. Now back to the dashboard. Again, go to the Appearance, then Import Demo Data. This is the interface of it. You will get two types of import: auto import, manual import. According to auto import, you will get some pre-made demos. Choose any one from these according to your choice. Let's click any one of it for importing demo. So click Continue and Import. After completing your demo import, then click on Visit Site. Here it is. Autparts is a modern, stylish, and SEO-friendly WooCommerce WordPress theme, which is especially designed for selling automotive parts, accessories, tools, and car services. Whether you are launching a parts store, tire shop, or car service website, Autparts offers advanced features tailored to the auto industry. Additionally, it features a lucrative shop, product details, and other essential pages that a WooCommerce theme must have. The Autparts theme comes with numerous shop page layers to help you provide customers with enhanced navigation and shopping experience. Moreover, Autparts contains some excellent features like WooCommerce currency switcher, sales notification, buy now button, sticky add to cart, add to wishlist, quick view, and many more. Thank you for watching.